For a soft bedroom finish, where blocking out the light is not essential, try pairing a faux wood Venetian with a sheer curtain. PVC Venetians are fantastic for controlling the direction of light, and a sheer curtain in a heavyweight slub fabric will help provide daytime privacy and diffuse the light. For a high-end designer finish, try featuring your curtain hardware by selecting a decorative rod set in a bold colour. A pinch pleat sheer curtain is perfect for traditional to modern homes and will give you the perfect pleat every time. Faux wood Venetian blinds are perfect to elevate your window and complement a wide range of interior styles. And don't forget, they can be cut to your perfect measurements by our cut to size service. The Selections rod set is ideal to create a sleek and contemporary finish. Expandable up to 400 centimeters wide, the rod set can be used on various size windows. Suitable for lightweight sheers to heavy block-out curtains, the Selections rod sets has a range of matching accessories to help you hang any type of curtain in your home.